it's me, Nikki.
Said to wait for the right time. Bring your courage, there's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me. Take my hand any minute now. We just wanna be in this dream forever. Just
The most wonderful week of the okay.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So of course by the title you must know today I will recreate one of the beautiful makeup tutorial done by the amazing Nikkie tutorial. My skill is no match to her, but this is the best I could do for now, and this is one of those amazing look Nikkie has created, and I thought of creating it because I do have the magic palette which Nikkie used to create this look, so I thought why not. Also a lot of you guys requested me to go for a look from Nikkie tutorial, so this is another reason. So yes, without me rambling any further, let's go ahead and start off with this legendary failure or success. You guys will find out in a bit.
I want to be a true Instagram legend, so I'm going to be priming using the Farsali Unicorn Essence.
So I'm just gonna move on with my product, which is the Votre Serum. It is not like the Farsali oil, but yes, it is a dropper style packaging, and it is a serum which will go ahead and hydrate my skin and give it a lot of shine. Quite what the essence will do for Nikkie.
Let's get ready to rumble!
I didn't have the buffing brush Nikkie is using, so instead I'm going for this tripling brush, which will work well for spreading the product into my face without absorbing it too much.
To mattify my T-zone area, I'm going to go in with this right here. This is by Cover Effects, the Custom Blot Drops.
So the product Nikkie is using is supposed to mattify her T-zone area and control oils, so what a silicone based primer does. So I decided to use my Colorbar Primer, as it will control oil on that area as well as give it a mattify finish.
For foundation today, I'm using a brand new one that I've never tried before. This is Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation.
So I'll be using a long-lasting foundation, for which I've taken the L'Oreal True Match Blendable Foundation. It is almost a full coverage foundation. It has a really long-lasting finish, which I absolutely love. So the perfect one for this look. Like Nikkie, I'm blending all the product using a damn beauty blender. But yes, like Nikkie, my skills are to work on the best as well I can, because Nikkie is amazing with her base. Of course, she's amazing with everything. That was really stupid of me. But I'm just trying to put all the things I know till date to get the best base possible. I don't know if I can, but I will give it a shot. You know, what the heck. So Nikkie didn't share her concealer, but the one I'm using is Maybelline Age Rewind, and I applied it only under the eyes.
This step was coming, huh? The Fit Me Loose powder in 05.
Oh, I so wish Maybelline to launch this Fit Me Loose powder in India. For today, I'll be using my Miss Claire translucent powder in shade TL4, and I'll be pressing the powder on the areas where I've applied the concealer, just like Nikkie is doing. And you have seen me doing this technique a lot many times in my tutorial as well.
The Select Cover Up Concealer by MAC.
I have already applied the same Maybelline Age Rewind concealer on my... So I will be directly moving on to my eye makeup. So Nikkie has used this fiery orange color from a Juvius palette, but I do not have that particular palette. I'll be using the similar fiery orange shade from the Hilary Rhoda matte palette. All of you guys have seen me using this palette so many times, and it is a beautiful and pigmented palette. I will apply the color starting from the outer corner of the eye to the inner corner in a cat eye shape. The only thing different is I applied the tape, cause I have applied the foundation beforehand and I do not want to mess with the edge. Usually do not do that, but since I'm following Nikkie's tutorial today, I definitely need to work on my skill. That is a proof. Next, Nikkie has used this bright yellow color to blend out the edges of the orange. So I'll be using my Morphe 35B palette, and she is right, the yellow definitely go ahead and help you to blend out the orange really well. So just like her, I'll be doing feathery stroke and blend out all the harsh edges properly. You know I love blending, so blend, blend, blend.
I don't of those looks that looks atrocious till the very last step, which is lashes. So if at any point you are recreating this look and you're like, oh my God, what is this nonsense? And don't give up, apply the lashes and boom, it pulls it together.
Next, she has used that bright purple shade from the same Juvius palette, and I'll be using the beautiful purple shade from my same Morphe 35B palette, and I will be applying it on the same place where Nikkie is applying as well. Take the color to the inner corner as well as on the outer corner below the crease and join it together sort of like a halo. Now I'm going to take the Juvius Place Magic palette like Nikkie, and I'll be using that beautiful dark blackish bluish shade from the palette and apply it just on top of the purple. Now she has applied a bit of concealer prior to that to improve the stickiness of the base, and I did the same by using a bit of Maybelline concealer. This will just allow the color to stick well and bring out the pigmentation properly. Always keep this in mind when you try to create any look. You can copy the same eye makeup but do it as per your eye shape, because everybody's eye shape is individual, so color placement will be different as per the shape of the eye and lid space.
The lid using a little bit of that same concealer.
So after cutting the lid like Nikkie, I'm just going to move on to the same beautiful silver color from the Magic palette like Nikkie, and I'll be placing the color on the outer edges on the area where I've applied the concealer, and this is just going to give a very beautiful, shape to the center color. Nikkie has used the same NYX Glitter Primer, and for the glitter she's using a gorgeous holographic glitter with sort of silver and bluish reflection. So I sort of created my own custom glitter using a mixture of silver, a bit of blue and a different holographic glitter with blue reflexes. Then I applied a kohl pencil on my lower eyelid and smoked it out using a black eyeshadow, and also applied a bit of silver highlighter on the front corner of the eye.
Next to nothing powder in medium dark. Brush. Nice glowy blush on those apples.
We did not share the exact color of the blush. What seemed to me is a soft browny peachy shade, so I chose this color from the Freedom Blush Kit.
Dull light highlighter in Shine, no, Like a Diamond.
So I'll be using this Kleancolor highlighter. It's a baked silver highlighter, quite similar to Nikkie's, not that pigmented but quite beautiful and blingy.
L'Oreal Balmain Urban Safari Nude Lipstick.
Nikkie did use a lip pencil, but I'm not using any as I'm using a lip crayon in the shade Holy Go Lightly by Sugar. For my gloss, I'll be using a Blue Heaven Clear Gloss.
Cosmic Gloss. To seal the deal, some setting spray.
For setting my face, I'll be using my L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Fixer. It is a really amazing makeup fixer which lasts any. So I finally tried a makeup look by Nikkie tutorial as requested by all of you guys. I know I'm not super amazing like her. I'm still working on my skill and I need to better myself so much, but I feel so grateful to try one of her looks because it definitely teach me a lot of things, and I definitely realized I need to work more on my skills. But if you like this look, you are the better judge, then please give it a big thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel. That will till next time. Take care. Bye.